Hey friend, I made this for you. I hope it brings you a moment of peace. Imagine a world of white and blue, a place of profound silence and stillness. This is Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and highest continent on Earth. It's a land dominated by ice, a vast polar desert where colossal glaciers have reigned for millions of years. When we think of this place, we often picture a barren, lifeless expanse. But what if I told you that within this icy kingdom, hidden from our eyes, life not only exists but thrives? It's a secret world, a microscopic universe suspended in time. Let's journey deep into the heart of these ancient glaciers. For a long time, we believed these solid rivers of ice were sterile environments, too extreme for any form of life to endure. The constant sub-zero temperatures, the immense pressure, and the lack of sunlight seemed to create an insurmountable barrier. But science has a way of revealing wonders in the most unexpected places. In recent decades, researchers have drilled deep into the Antarctic ice sheet, extracting cores that are like frozen time capsules, preserving records of Earth's climate and atmosphere from hundreds of thousands of years ago. And within these ice cores, they found something astonishing. Life. Tiny single-celled organisms, mostly bacteria, were found dormant, but alive, trapped within the ice. These are not just any bacteria. They are extremophiles, masters of survival. They have adapted to conditions that would be instantly lethal to most other life forms. Think about it, some of these microbes have been frozen for over 750,000 years, waiting patiently in a state of suspended animation. It's like they've been in a deep, long sleep, a pause in their existence, waiting for the right moment to awaken. So how do they do it? How do they survive being encased in solid ice for millennia? These microorganisms have developed incredible strategies. They produce special proteins that act like a natural antifreeze, preventing ice crystals from forming inside their cells and rupturing them. They can also repair their DNA from damage caused by cosmic radiation that penetrates the ice over long periods. When conditions are just right, perhaps in a minuscule pocket of liquid water or along a grain boundary in the ice, they can slowly metabolize, just enough to stay alive. They are the ultimate survivors, a testament to the sheer tenacity of life. One of the most fascinating discoveries in Antarctica is a place called Blood Falls. Imagine a pristine white glacier with a 5-story tall waterfall that bleeds a deep, crimson red onto the ice. It looks like something from another world. For a long time, scientists were puzzled by this phenomenon. They initially thought red algae were responsible for the color. But the truth is far more incredible. The water flowing from Blood Falls comes from a subglacial lake, a body of water trapped beneath the glacier for at least 1.5 million years, completely cut off from the atmosphere and sunlight. This trapped lake is incredibly salty and rich in iron, and it's teeming with a unique community of bacteria. These microbes have evolved in complete isolation, in total darkness, and without any oxygen. They have a completely alien metabolism. Instead of breathing oxygen like we do, they breathe iron. They use sulfate as an energy source, effectively chewing on the minerals in the bedrock to survive. When this iron-rich water from the lake finally seeps out and hits the air, the iron oxidizes it, essentially rust sand. That's what gives Blood Falls its shocking blood-red color. It's a visible sign of a hidden, thriving ecosystem that operates on principles entirely different from our own sunlit world. The existence of these subglacial ecosystems completely changes our understanding of where life can exist. It's not just on the surface of a planet, basking in the warmth of a star. Life can be hidden deep beneath miles of ice, in total darkness, powered by chemical reactions. This has huge implications for our search for life beyond Earth. Think of the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, like Europa and Enceladus. We know they have vast liquid water oceans hidden beneath their icy shells. If life can survive trapped under a glacier in Antarctica, could it also be surviving in the dark, cold oceans of these distant moons? Blood Falls is like a natural laboratory, a glimpse into the kind of life we might one day find elsewhere in our solar system. These tiny organisms are not just curiosities, they are keepers of ancient secrets. As scientists study the DNA of these ancient microbes, they can learn about how life evolves in extreme isolation. They can piece together the history of Earth's climate by analyzing the air bubbles and dust trapped in the ice alongside the bacteria. Each layer of ice is a page in a history book, and the life within it adds another layer of detail to the story. These microbes have witnessed ice ages come and go, continents shift, and the very air we breathe change. They are living fossils, carrying genetic information from a world long gone. There's a kind of beautiful poetry to it all. In one of the most desolate places on our planet, life has found a way. It's a quiet, patient, and resilient form of life, a stark contrast to the bustling, fast-paced world we know. It reminds us that even in stillness, there is activity. Even in what appears to be emptiness, there is a universe of complexity. The silence of the Antarctic ice is not the silence of nothingness. It's the silence of deep time, of life waiting patiently for its moment. As you listen to the music, I want you to picture this hidden world. Imagine these tiny, resilient beings suspended in crystal clear ice. Think of the deep, dark lake beneath the glacier, alive with creatures that breathe iron. Let the thought of this quiet, persistent life soothe you. It's a reminder that strength isn't always loud and visible. Sometimes, the greatest strength is found in stillness, in endurance, in the ability to simply be, even in the harshest of conditions. I hope thinking about this brought you a sense of calm and wonder. The universe is full of secrets, and sometimes, the most beautiful ones are the quietest. I'm always here for you.